Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we start, just want you guys to know that this is definitely a technique you can do yourself, or you can research. Depends on your face shape. You can definitely look into research because everybody's face shape is different. So I might want to drag mine up, you might want to drag yours out, so just keep that in mind. But I just wanted to show you guys some facial massages I've been doing lately, anti-aging lifting techniques to help lift your skin. I'm getting older. I just want to make sure my skin is firm and just plump and supple, and I want to get in there and massage and lift those lymph nodes and muscles in my face area. So we're going to go ahead and get started right now. I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down. Alright, so before we get into the actual face massage, we're just going to talk about some of the benefits, right? Because, what is the benefit of doing all this? Of course, it's free. It's definitely something you can do yourself, but it's going to stimulate your blood flow, help the circulation in your face and neck and your décolleté area with the help of the lymph flow. And then, of course, by doing these techniques or facial massage, you're fighting against gravity, which is going to help keep that youthful, young looking skin. So what we're going to be using today, or what you want to use, is any kind of plant-based oil. So for me, I probably need to go get it. I'm going to be using my avocado oil. So again, you want to use anything plant-based. You want to stay away from mineral synthetic oils. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. But before I start with the massage, I'm just going to go ahead and do my normal routine, which is my toner, which is what I'm doing now. My toner, of course, my serum, and then my moisturizer to seal in, hydration for my skin and just prep my skin for my makeup. I truly, as I think a lot of you know, I really enjoy doing these steps. Again, for my toner just helps bring that pH balance back into your skin, but also the toner, if there's any residue of makeup or dirt or anything like that, the toner is just going to pull that up, which is usually not a lot, but I just want to make sure I get all of that, and again, just tone my skin. All right, I'm going in with my serum here. Ooh, it's cold. It's so good. Like, I already want to massage my face because I've been, again, incorporating massages into my skin when I usually do these steps. So my moisturizer now. You guys, as we get older, these things are important. Now, don't get me wrong, there's some people's skin that looks beautiful. They don't use skincare at all. I'm trying so hard not to massage my skin. Oh my god. Alright, so again, the oil that I'm going to be using today to massage my face, my neck, and my décolleté area, I'm just going to put in my hand here a couple drops of that. See that? Oh my goodness. Ugh. Just gonna put that all over. Okay. So we're just gonna rub that in to the neck and then just the top of the décolleté area. Alright, So the first massage I'm going to do is one we do at Estee Lauder, and we call this the heart ritual. So you can just start here in the center of your face and go down to the chin. And you just want to love on your skin, right? This just feels so good. And you can press as firm as you want or as gentle. Same thing all the way down, starting at the forehead. All right. And again, guys, you can do these massages as long as you want. Like doing something like this before bedtime, oh my gosh, like it feels so good. Like I'm relaxing myself right now. It's just, you know, you get in your own little space, whether it be the bathroom or like myself down here in my filming area. You're all alone, no noise or anything like that. Or even you can like put some light music on, like some jazz or something like that. Girls or guys, like, and just zone out. Can you imagine? Like, just take the stress away of the day and just, oh, and just doing something like this just really preps you for bedtime. All right, so we're going to start on the neck area. And you know, we have tons of lymph nodes here. We're dressed, I mean, I know we're, you know, trying to lift everything, but we want those lymphs. We want those to drain down. So we're going to start here. Just press downward. Okay, and again, you can do this for as long as you want. Just incorporate a time that works for you, right? And you can do any technique you want. This feels so good. You might start to get red, and you know, that's fine. That's just the blood stimulating and circulating that blood, getting that good blood flow. So if you start to turn a little red, that's totally okay. Okay, then we want to do our collarbone, you know, help with the drainage. All right, and then you want to find your bones here, and you want to push outward. Ooh, like I can feel lumpy. Okay, and you want to do that all the way to your ear. And then next, we'll do like a pinching technique all the way back. Ooh, it feels so good. I'm just kind of using my knuckles here to do that. All right, then we're just gonna do really big circles in the cheek area to lift that skin, get that circulation going. And if you guys see my face, like this cheek here is a little bit lower than this one. You can actually see the line here. So doing something like this is gonna help lift my skin. So I need to do it more on this side. Get the blood flow, face. And even those that have partners or, you know, even a friend, like girlfriends, you guys can do this on each other. Like, It feels good doing it on yourself, but can you imagine if someone else was doing it on you? Oh my gosh. That nasal line area, doing it, push up. Hmm. All right, and then we're just gonna take our knuckles. We're gonna push up and hold it. Take a deep breath. It feels so good. It feels so good, guys. Like I just want to go to sleep. So after do that, then we're just going to pull that out to the ears and up. You know, it's amazing. Um, we are blessed those that have, you know, bless those that don't, but these can be tools for so many things. You know, oftentimes we take the little things for granted. You know, if you really think about those little things, you know, it's enough to be thankful for. I'm thankful for my hands. All right, next we're going to lift the side of your cheek, you guys, and this is something you can definitely, you can do this while you're watching TV. You know, when you're just sitting, maybe reading something, reading a book, or listening to, you know, one of your favorite shows. Again, for me, if I wasn't filming this, I would definitely have like some soft music on, and that just helps just relax you a little bit more. Um, some soft music, you know, that helps decrease the heart rate. It's just going to assist in the relaxation. It smells so good. And having that oil on there, even though it's, you know, you can see it a little bit, just helps glide the skin. I'm gonna push up. And for those that have gotten a massage before, you guys know the point of contact is so important. Like once they start on you, usually you don't, you know, usually throughout the entire massage, the point of contact is always there because they don't want to break that, you know, relaxation. I'm just taking my knuckles here and then ending with my palms going upward. Whew. Feels so good. My arms are getting tired. You see my cheeks are red. Blood flow. All right, we're gonna start here and just press up to the forehead, through the brows. You know, and for us that are starting to get forehead wrinkles, you can see a couple there. This will definitely help with that. All right, and for those of us that have crow's feet, I just want to lift. All right, so we just want to do the forehead, press up. You know, you want to run into that hairline too because that's part of your face as well. stimulation, help with the blood flow. You guys know from my hair tutorials, if you watch those, that I'm always dry around here, so doing this massage here will help stimulate that blood as well. Like, I can feel a difference, of course, from my skin to my hairline. Put some there. There we go. That feels good. All right, and then we're going to end it where we started it, with just doing this, pressing down. All right, so welcome back. Facial massage is done, and my skin just feels really nice. It feels stimulated. I'm ready for my day. So that's actually it. Again, you know, you can definitely incorporate this in the morning, which is what I just did. Just really relaxing and just kind of just get me ready for the day. But especially at nighttime, I would probably definitely take a little bit more time to do a few more minutes of those steps just to prepare me for night, and also to prepare my skin. Many of us know we do lose more moisture at night, just because our skin, that's when our skin and cells and everything is trying to repair itself, so it's working a little bit harder. So incorporating something like this as well, in my preference with great skincare, is just going to give you your best version of skin. So thank you guys for joining me. If you have any questions or any comments, just make sure you leave those down below. And that's it. So thank you guys for joining me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup. And also, if you're over on TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMakeup. And also now _ beauty over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.